My name's Dan Ritchie and I teach in the Department of English and Journalism. I love teaching literature because it restores the fullness of life. The other disciplines take a selection of human life or human knowledge, whether it's the sciences like physics or the social sciences, history and other humanities like philosophy. They take that chunk of human knowledge and bore down deeply on its methods and its outcomes. In literature, we put them all together again. Whether it's issues of character or stories, they become meaningful or meaningless as they fit together into a whole. A lot of students come in and they are fans of, say, Jane Austen. Well, what is it about Jane Austen that keeps us coming back to Pride and Prejudice? In part, it's about learning how to listen. Learning how to listen is not a science. It is part of life. And Jane Austen teaches us about that by showing it through the failures and ultimately the successes of her characters. That's when literature becomes really valuable, when it restores all of those aspects of life, whether it's psychology or morality or theology, and it puts it together in a convincing whole. That's what literature is for me, and that's what I try to convey to students.